Hi, good morning. I am BATHALA TEJA. I am from Tirupati. I am a recently graduated A degree college in the stream of Bachelor of Computer Applications. I Before joining QSpiders, I thought like I know everything. I joined just for incubation student. So here I have done I don't know anything on my I know my standards where I am in. So here from here four trainers helped me to get my dream job. First one is Super ma'am. She taught the topic very clearly and it helped me to get the solid foundation coming to back end. Rick sir, Pond sir, Nitya sir, these three trainers helped me too much to get a solid knowledge on back end. Especially Pond sir teach me how to get logical thinking, how to do code well. So because of Pond sir, he had to be very learned to me and how to get my dream job, what are things I should change to get a job. The Pond sir, Rick sir give me lot of confidence to me and to get a job. So I thank everyone to get my dream job.